Hi everyone, welcome to Nancy's Mediterranean Kitchen. Today I'm going to make an eggplant salad from Greece. It's called Melitzanosalata. Let's start. My ingredients are 2 eggplant, 2 sweet red pepper, 1 lemon or 1 lime, and 2 cloves of garlic. Spices are salt, pepper, and then I will add olive oil on top. I will bake the eggplant and the sweet red pepper. I will put the red pepper first in my pan, and then I'm going to cut the eggplant. I'll cut this part first. Then I will cut it in halves. Now I'm going to show you a trick in order to cook quickly in the oven, is to make diagonal lines on both sides, and this will help cook quickly. Most important thing is that you don't cut all the way to the bottom, so that you keep all the juices inside the eggplant. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on the bottom first of the eggplant, and I'll use my hand because it's like massaging. Also the red pepper. Then I'm going to add some salt and pepper on the eggplant. Then some olive oil, like 1 tablespoon or 2. This will help in the cooking process of the eggplant in the oven. And I will bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. The pepper you can definitely take before that. It takes 10 to 15 minutes for the pepper to cook. The pepper took 15 minutes, and then I removed it. I put it back now to assemble my dish. The eggplant took 35 minutes to bake in a 400 degrees Fahrenheit oven. I'm going to show you now how to peel the red pepper. As you see, it's very easy. The peel is already separated. So use your hand to do that. Make sure it's not so hot. You have to wait until it cools down. Now I will transfer it into my dish and remove this part. Then I will open it and remove the seeds from inside. I will do the same thing with the second one. Now I'm going to show you how to get the eggplant. To make it easier, I'll just cut the sides with a knife like this, so it's easy to peel. Then scoop it with a spoon, as you see. I will mash now the eggplant with a fork and the pepper. I will mix them together. The red pepper adds a very nice color, as you see. I will add the garlic. I will add some salt, pepper, lemon or lime. We'll give it a mix. Then I'm going to drizzle some olive oil on top. And garnish with some parsley. My Melitzanosalata is ready now. I hope you liked my episode today. I hope you like it. I hope you can try it. You can definitely eat it with pita bread, and it will look wonderful on your table. And please try it and let me know in your comments below how it goes. See you next time.